Hello viewers and students. Welcome to Biologic Official. In today's video, I am going to explain step-by-step online application procedure for WB SET examination along with few other details. The online application has already been started from 16th August 2021 and the deadline for form fill-up and payment is 15th September 2021 and the examination date is 9 January 2022. So without wasting much time, let's start with the online application procedure. Firstly, visit this website. Here you will get to see a new notice, apply for state eligibility test. Advertisement number 23/set. Click the apply now link. A new window will open with 4 tabs: exam details, personal details, qualification details, and upload documents. Let's start with the exam details. Applied for SET is already given. Then choice of district. If it is Kolkata, choice of subdivision is not applicable. But if it is any other district, you need to give preference for examination centers. I am showing you an example. Next, choose your subject. I am choosing Life Sciences. Then you need to answer whether you have qualified earlier WB SET in the same subject. After filling up exam details, press the Next button. The personal details window will appear. Please note that the red asterisk fields are mandatory. In this page, you need to fill up your name, middle name, last name, father's name, mother's name, category, then date of birth, marital status, gender, mobile number, landline number if any, email ID, Aadhaar number, differently able yes or no, and nationality. In permanent address, you need to fill up your address, city or village, pin code, and state. If your postal address is same as your permanent address, then tick on same as above. Now press the next button. The next section is qualification details. In qualification details, you need to fill up details of exam passed at undergraduate level. That is, name of the university or institution, year of passing, subject, marks obtained, full marks, grade or grade point, and percentage of marks. Next, fill up the postgraduate level in the same way. If your PG result is awaiting, then mention yes. Then you need to answer this question. However, for current students, the answer will be no. Again, press the next button. In this last section, you need to upload your photo and signature. For photograph, the image should be in JPEG format with size between 4 to 40 KB. And for the signature, the size between 4 to 30 KB. Then tick off the declaration and finally press the submit button. After filling all the details of online application form, the candidates have to opt for online payment of examination fee. For general candidates, the examination fee is 1200 rupees. For OBC candidates, 600 rupees. And for SC, ST, PWD candidates, 300 rupees. You are advised to go through the detailed information brochure carefully before applying. If you find this video helpful, then like and share. And for more such videos, subscribe to Biologic Official channel and press the bell icon to get instant notification about newly uploaded videos. Thank you for watching.